Good evening, everyone. So, now we will discuss the 5 words of daily vocabulary of the Hindu. Okay, I know I did not upload the video. After the video, I uploaded like 3 days before because I got very busy. But a good news is that from today onwards, the video of vocabulary will be uploaded daily basis around this time, okay, around 6 to 7 p.m. daily. So now we will start with our vocab words. So the first word is salutary. So salutary means which is beneficial to us, which produce good effects, okay, like which is very beneficial to us. So the sentence I have made is this: balanced diet is salutary to our health, because we know if we eat healthy food then it is beneficial for our health. So salutary means beneficial, which produces good effects. Okay, so I think this word is clear. And now we will move to the next word. So the next word is rebuttal. So what rebuttal means? Rebuttal means a refutation of contradiction, argument made in response to an argument. So let's understand it with an example. Okay, suppose you have come home late today. So your brother asks you, why have you come late today? So rather than answering his question, you ask him, okay, I have come late today, but why do you come late every day? So you can understand you have made an opposite argument rather than answering his question. Okay, your answer should be like, I got stuck in the traffic or something, but you made a contradictory statement like, today only I have come late, but you come late every day. So why it is so? So I think you understood, like no one had a rebuttal of working on holidays. Or you can also make this sentence as everyone had a rebuttal of working on holidays. Okay, so suppose if your higher authorities tell you that you have to work on holidays also, so rather than answering anything, you ask them why we have to work on holidays, or like, so you can understand that the contradiction. Okay, question in response to one question. Okay, another question is put in response to one question, then this is rebuttal. I hope I was able to make you understand the meaning of this word. I know this is a little confusing, but you can understand it with the help of the brothers example very easily, okay, which I have told you. So now we will move to the next word, that is hammer out. So what hammer out means? Hammer out means to arrive at an agreement after a lot of discussion or argument. Okay, so like you are having a lot of arguments, like a committee is discussing something and they are having lots and lots of arguments, but at the end they arrive at an agreement. Okay, so this is called hammering out. Like India and Pakistan are trying to hammer out their relationships, okay, or trying to hammer out their contradictions. Okay, so a deal was hammered out between the two companies on manufacturing plastic. Okay, so like they were having arguments over the prices and the profit ratio, but at the end they arrived at an agreement. Okay, so this is the meaning of hammer out: to arrive to a conclusion, to arrive to an discussion. Okay, arrive to an agreement, not discussion. Okay, so this was the meaning of hammer out. Now we will move to the next word, and the next word is dispensation. So dispensation means exemption from a rule or usual requirement. Okay, like you think that your brother or sister has special exemption, special dispensation or exemption, like you think that your parents love them more rather than you. So this is called dispensation. Like you have to come home at a very specific time every day, but they can come home the time they want. So This is called dispensation, like when we give exemption to a person from the rules. So the sentence is, I have been given special dispensation to come home anytime. Okay, so what this means, that there is a situation in which every member of the family has to reach home by a specific time, but I have been given special dispensation of that I can come home anytime I want. Okay, so this is called dispensation, like a special treatment to a person. So the next word is dire. So dire means extremely serious or urgent. Okay, presaging disaster. So in simple terms, it means that which is very devastating, which is very serious. Okay, we will understand it with the help of the sentence. Like the situation of the pandemic in our country is dire. Okay, dire means which is becoming worse and worse every day. Okay, so dire is very urgent, very serious, or very presaging and the disaster. So I think you can understand that which is worsening day by day is called dire. Okay, so you can take the example of the pandemic situations of our country. Okay, so dire means extremely serious or urgent, like the diring economy of our country. So this is also, so now we will do a quick revision. So the first is salutary. So salutary means which is very beneficial for us, which produces good effects. Okay, like balanced diet is salutary to our health. So next is rebuttal. Rebuttal means when you made a argument in response to an argument. Okay, like when you question someone in response to a question they asked, and you can easily remember it with the help of the brothers example I told you. So next is hammer out. So hammering out means to arrive at an agreement after a lots of discussion or arguments. Okay, dispensation means exemption from a rule or usual requirements. I have told you the. And the next word is dire. So dire means which is extremely serious or urgent, or which is becoming worse day by day, and you can remember it with the help of COVID-19 example. Okay, like the situation of the pandemic in our country is diring or dire, any word can come here. So that's all for today's vocabulary, and from now on the vocabulary video will be up daily around this time. And what you have to do, just make sentences of your own from these words. Okay, and try to revise them at least 2 times. Okay, and you can also comment down the sentences which you have made in the comment section of the video. So that's all for the vocabulary video, and I hope I was able to make you understand the meanings. Tell me if I need to make any improvement in this video section. So thank you for your time, and all the best for your exams.